Alright, so this is going to be a lesson on converting unit rates. We're going to look at changing feet per minute into yards per hour, noticing that feet has to change to yards and minute has to change to hours. So we have a little bit of a conversion issue that we need to deal with here. So what I want to look at is how do we do this using dimensional analysis. And dimensional analysis means we're going to be using the labels, the units, as part of the math. And so what I need to do is I need to set up something that I can multiply this by that will eventually get me to this, but I can't really change it, so I need to be multiplying by 1. Let me show you a number 1 that will help me with this. All right, I'm going to take care of the feet first. Since both of them have to change, I'm just going to choose to take care of feet. If feet was on the top over here, I'm going to put it on the bottom over here, and I'll talk about why in just a moment. And what do I want to be in? I don't want to be in feet, I want to be in yards, so let me put yards on the top. I need this to equal 1, so here's what I know. 3 feet and 1 yard are exactly the same, so that actually equals 1. 1 yard over 3 feet is 1. Now here's why I put feet on the bottom. Because I want to cross-simplify that whole understanding of using the labels as part of the math is called dimensional analysis. I'm going to cross-simplify that feet and that feet. I'm not going to go ahead and do the math right now, but I'm going to go ahead and knock those out. So now I know I'm in yards per minute. Let me go ahead and do that one more time, though, because I don't want yards per minute. I want yards per hour. So the minute is on the bottom, so guess what? If it's on the bottom and I want to eventually cross-simplify it, I need it to be on the top. What do I want to be in? I want to be in hours. But I need this to equal 1. So what do I know? I know that 60 minutes equals 1 hour. And now I have a math problem, once again, that this minutes, right there, can cross-simplify with this minutes. And there are other cross-simplifications you could do. I noticed that this would go into that or that, so I'm going to go ahead and cross-simplify that. 3 goes in there 1 time. 3 goes in there 20 times. And now I have just a math problem that says 1,590 times 1 times 20 over 1 times 1 times 1. And if I take that 1,590 times 20, I get 31,800 yards. If I take 1 times 1 times 1, I get 1 hour. Notice, the yards per hour is what we have now, and we've converted it from how many feet per minute into how many yards per hour.